Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam mirror tray. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some of this Bling Wrap. And this is from Totally Dazzled. You're going to need 8 to 10 of these rhinestone brooches, also from Totally Dazzled. And you're going to need 4 of these crystal napkin rings, and these are from eFavorMart. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. I will also have the links for these napkin rings with eFavorMart in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now, what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 1 of these rectangular mirrors, and this is an 8x10 mirror. And you're going to need some of this foam board. This is also from Dollar Tree. Now I have some of these little mini mirrors, and these are 2-inch mirrors. They're from Michaels. So you will need possibly 4 to 6 of these, maybe 8 to 10. We'll see as we go along. And then from Walmart, I have some of these peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And for this project, I will be using hot glue to assemble it, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create this beautiful mirrored tray. Let's get started. Okay guys, now didn't this glam mirror tray turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam videos and glam DIYs, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.